Hey guys, your friend Adeyemi Oluwaseun from OnlineHustlePro is here. On today's video, I want to teach you how to make money from Bybit without doing anything at all. If you have any money somewhere, convert your money back to USDT and leave it here with the secret that I want to show to you, and you start making money every blessed day. You don't need to do anything. You don't need to watch anything. You don't need to, in fact, to do any analysis at all. In fact, you don't need to have any knowledge. What you need to do is just to leave your money down with the secret, then you start making money. If you don't have any Bybit account, it's very simple. What you need to do right now is just to go down below to the description section. Just click on the first link that you see there, register, verify your account. Once you do that, you are good to go. Now guys, this is what you are going to do here. Make sure that you have any fund that you have, just make sure that you convert it back to USDT. Okay, make sure that you convert it back to USDT. Once you do that, then you need to come to the main page. This is the main dashboard of Bybit, right? So now guys, where are we going? Just click on this more. Once you are there, just click on more. Once you click on more, we have buy crypto, we have deposit and blah blah blah. Here we have trades, we have NFT, we have trading bots, DCA trading bots, leverage token, margin trade, copy trade, to discovery, convert, OTC trade. Then on hand here we have Bybit Earn, we have Bybit Saving, we have liquidity mining, we have dual asset, we have wealth management, we have ETH 2.0, we launch Launchpool, we have double win, we have discount buy. Then on SpotX here we have SpotX, we have buy starter, we have Launchpad, we have buy votes, we have token splash. And we scroll down, you're going to see finance, where you're going to see crypto loans, where you're going to see a card, where you're going to see lending. Then on events, we have rewards up, we have invite friend, that is, if you want to invite your friend, we have leadership board giveaway. Then on service, we have VIP, strategy alert, blog, learn, epicenter, announcement down below here. But this is where we are going, guys. Get to this more section, we are coming under this more right here. Okay, then what next you're going to do, just to click on Launchpool. Click on Launchpool, but you must have your money ready on the, excuse me, let me go back. You must have your money. Once you fund this account, maybe you just register. If you do not have any money there before, all you need to do is just to fund your account. Then make sure that you click on this asset. When you click on asset, you want to click on deposit, right? Okay, so once you click on deposit, guys, that money is coming to the spot account. Okay, so then you now come to transfer here. Once you click on transfer, so if you click on transfer, you want to transfer any money that you have on yours, it will be on spot. Because once you fund, your money will be on fund to funding account. You must have your money on that funding account here. So once you put your money on funding account, then you got to go back. Then you're gonna click on more here. When you click on more, you want to click on this Launchpool. So when you click on Launchpool, this one will not be. This one will look like this. Then you have to mark it. Okay, you have to mark it, click on it to trigger it rather. Then once you've triggered it, you're going to see the Launchpool token here. But I don't actually trade all these altcoin token. I trade only on USDT pool. Okay, USDT pool, that is only where I trade. Okay, now how are you going to do that? All you need to do is just to click on stake. And the reason why I'm trading only on USDT is because of the volatility. Okay, I just want to keep my money here and make profits on it every blessed day. Okay, every blessed day. I don't want to be, making my main capital to be, if it to be drained down. If that coin is going down in value. I just want it like that. If it is $100, I want it to remain $100. If it is $2,000, I want it to remain $2,000, but to make money from it every blessed day. Okay, now after we have clicked on this, you can see you need minimum of minimum of $100, and the max is $2,000. Okay, that you can stake here. So if you want to stake, let's say you want to stake $1,000, so what you need to do is just to click on $1,000. You can see, because I do not have that money in my funding, the money that is there has been staked already. Okay, then you mark this place, then this one will be clickable. Then you can come and click on stake now. Okay, so once you click on stake now, that's all. And let me just go back to, let me come back here so that if you want to unstake, you can unstake at any time. Okay, so let me click on Bybit, and if I click on that Bybit, and then that is if you want to unstake what you have staked before, then you're going to come to my holding here. So if you click on my holding there, you're going to see I have my fund here. You can see one active. So you're going to see your daily yield, which you can withdraw anytime, any day. Okay, you can see your total yield that you have earned. You don't need to see that, but it's very awesome, right? It's very awesome because I don't do anything to make this. Okay, so now you see your launch pool investment, what you stake, and you don't need to be afraid of risk. You cannot lose a dime from your capital. Okay, you cannot lose a dime from your capital. If you want to unstake, you can actually unstake it anytime. All right, so what you need to do is just to click on this arrow here, this arrow that shows one active. So as you can see that when I click on that one arrow, then it shows like this. Then if you now want to unstake, what you need to do is just to click anywhere around here like this. As you can see, we have on stake here, and if you want to add more capital, maybe you have like $1,000 or 1.5 there before, and you want to make it up to like 2,000, which is max, you can just click on buy more right here, and it will ask you to stake again. But if you want to unstake your money anytime, any day, you can see it will, it will unstake. You can unstake anytime, any day, right here. That is the secret to make money from this Bybit. If you like this video, I want you to subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscription button right now, and make sure that you click on the notification bell so that whenever I drop a content like this, you will get notification that I just dropped this content. Thank you. Please like this video, comment what you feel, and even if you don't know what to say, you can just say Adeyemi, thank you very much, and I will reply you there. Thank you. I remain yours, Adeyemi Oluwaseun.